legal team is separated from those who are implementing and driving the technology, but we expect all our members of our team across all business units to understand the role of technology for our clients and for our business. We are hiring new staff across all business units. There are a couple of key factors that we look for, and they're not necessarily described generally as understanding of technology or tech-driven, but it's more an appreciation of how those types of forces affect the role that you're asked to perform within the business. So one that comes up commonly is efficiency. So again, within a fixed fee model, efficiency is more crucial than in a time-based billing model, and therefore someone who appreciates that and understands the tools such as technology to enable them to perform their role efficiently is crucial to our business.
When you're looking at informatics, you're looking not just at the core literacy skills that you require to be able to deal with technology into the future, but you will be looking at big data analytics. You're also looking at a range of other matters that are going to be important, including coding, in as much as it would apply in the legal sector. It seems to me it could apply and it could be quite relevant. I should say too, I have a daughter in Year 12, and when I was helping her with her work last night, she's actually learning coding already, so perhaps it's a bit unrealistic of us to expect that much of this will be provided at the university level. I suspect much of it will actually happen at the school level.
A lot of things that are called smart contracts are in fact not contracts, not legal contracts in the sense of true contracts in a legal sense. They're actually just a series of coding instructions for the execution of particular things to happen on the occurrence of particular conditionalities or particular events occurring. In the future, those things could perhaps become fully fledged, fully formed contracts. And I think that's what's most interesting for the legal industry, is how do we as lawyers begin to develop smart contracts with clients or for clients. What is our involvement going to be, and what happens if some of those things go wrong? What is the dispute resolution process, and so on?
My view is that undergrads should be focusing on probably more the classical type of education, but it doesn't mean that you still can't use innovation and technology within that. There's no point in just talking about old land cases if we move to a blockchain registry. We're going to have to be looking at how the law reflects the current practice.
Within our core courses that all law students have to undertake, the presence of technology is minuscule, if not nothing. And I guess working in industry and working with tech in industry, I can see that there is room to introduce, even on a small scale in the first instance, issues of technology, or where technology finds itself in different practice areas. I speak to contracts and smart contracts, blockchain in banking, e-discovery in resolving civil disputes. The list goes on. But I think in any case, that would be a first step and a first port of call.